Hilboy S2 MAX. This is probably one of the coolest things I've ever got to review on YouTube. Hilboy did send this thing out to me. I've been taking it in this city with me for like 30 days now. The claim to fame on this thing is the fact it's got such a long range for how budget affordable this thing is. Budget and affordable? I don't know, let's check it out. Woohoo! So let's check out the Hilboy up close and personal. We do have these nice 10-inch wheels on the back. You do have to air them up from time to time. Nice little light in the back so people know where you're at. And you do have this nice little foot tread where you put your feet, and it's got a nice little grippy pattern to it. It says Hilboy. Down at the bottom, we do have this 500-watt motor inside of it. That's what makes it go. And we're going to go up to 19 miles an hour. Now, I am a little bit heavier. I'm actually 265, 6 foot, and this thing pushes me over the 19 miles an hour that it's rated. All right, let's do a 0 to 20 test right now. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You do have dual braking system, so the brakes are up here on your handle, and it brakes both the front, and also the back. That's pretty damn cool. You do have, as we move down, you do have a latching system here where you can kind of break this thing apart, and like this whole top piece will fold down, making it easy to carry around. It weighs about 40 pounds. Like in and out of the city, it was kind of a little bit cumbersome. I think it was worth it once I got it to this city, but just getting on the train and doing all those kind of things kind of sucked, right? Because people are like in your way, you're trying to hold on to this thing, and then on the train, as it moves, even when this thing is off, you have to hold on to the brake so it doesn't roll around on you. Those orange accents continue. And you do have a nice little screen up here. So this will tell you how fast you're going, so MPH. This is your battery, and I have it in sport mode. So this is the app that you download. You can just download it from the Play Store. Comes up, Hilboy, and then it wants to recognize what scooter you have. Tap on that, and then you get your readings right here. It tells you the battery percentage, your Bluetooth capability, your runtime, and what mode. That's the kind of the most important thing that I wanted to show you. So you can change it right on here. So that's economy mode. That's going to save you a lot of battery, kind of limit your speed. And then you have the regular mode. And then I like to keep it in sport because I'm a speed demon a little bit, right? This is my first scooter, man. And I freaking love this thing. Look at me, man. I feel like I'm 10. So it also records your riding time, and you can turn your light on and off right on the app. So there's a light here. So if I push the button, turns the light on and off. Or you can also turn the light on and off right here on the button on the screen. But far as connectivity, this is pretty simple. I love that the fact that it has an app built into it. So yes, we're moving in 2027. Yeah, my scooter's got apps, bro. Checking out the rest of the scooter, we have a little bell. It's actually loud enough for people to get out of your way. Like when you're on the sidewalk, definitely enough. You have nice grippy handles. They have like a texturing there on them. This has one side for the brake. So pulling this one lever pulls both brakes, just to know. And then this is your acceleration right here. So if you push down on this with your thumb, that's going to give you the acceleration that you want for your speed, baby. It's a need for speed. Here I come again. Whoa. So what do I think about the Hilboy? I got my pros and cons. I would definitely say the pros for carrying this into the city is that it really reduces the amount of walking time, especially if you have to get off of like public transportation or you're taking your vehicle close to where you work, but not all the way. Or maybe you just want to run to the store real quick. This could be a perfect kind of urban solution for you, right? I love the distance. It's like 40 miles round trip on this thing. That's freaking, that's a nice distance. That definitely can get you out of the city if you're traveling on roads, right? 4 hours to charge with the charger on this thing. But my con with this scooter is like, if you check it out down here, there is no like shocks and stuff. So when I go into the city a lot of times, I see people with the scooters, but they have the ones with the shocks. So those DC streets, and definitely the sidewalks, they have a lot of bumps, and you're gonna feel every single bump bumping this thing. It kind of shakes the handle a little bit, and you're like, all right, you just gotta get used to it. Not that you're gonna fall, but you definitely gotta get used to it over time. It is a little heavy for it, so I could see like a smaller stature person having some difficulty, utilizing this scooter because it's such a big kind of cumbersome item to maneuver on a train or on a bus or anything like that. So definitely want to think about the weight of this thing, and that's mainly because of the battery. Now, the 4 hours to charge it really didn't bother me at all because, hey, I use it all day. I got a 40-mile distance to go, or 20 miles round trip, 20 miles one way, 20 miles back, round trip 40 miles. And at night, I just plug it in and it's ready for the next day. I think it's an excellent value. I do think that the shocks thing, if I made one improvement, definitely the shocks on this Hilboy would make a lot of sense. This scooter is so easy to operate. Even my son can do it. He's 8 years old and it has absolutely terrible balance. This thing just maneuvers so easily. Anybody could pick this thing up and use it. But I do appreciate them for sending this thing out for me to test out and review. I think this might be first of many, scooter reviews. I think that's a good look for me to check out scooters because it's fun as hell testing them out. So yeah, man. Guys, if you like this review, hit the thumbs up button. If you loved it, subscribe and come on back. We got more gear. Usually we review backpacks. This time around, it's the Hilboy scooter. I'll see you guys in the next one, man.